myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here Hello guys, welcome back to Your Boy YouTube channel. So today is happiest moment for me. So I have learned a lot about the communal tourism in Umswai Valley. So today we have a workshop on communal tourism. Our resource person was Sapna ma'am from Sonapur College. She is the assistant professor in tourism and travel management. So I gonna introduce her and I gonna tell her to share her experience in Umswai Valley. So she is the one.
Hi. Do I say, what do I say? Kardom or what do I say? What do
Kardom
you say?
Sewa.
Kardom Seva.
Seva in Tiwa.
Seva in Tiwa.
Yeah.
So it's my first visit here in Sigdamakha, and I would like to thank Rootbridge Foundation for giving me this opportunity to come here and interact with the people. And the very first moment I entered this village, the only thing that I could think was, wow, it's beautiful. The people have really made this place their own. They have cleaned it, and it is really the cleanest village. It is not just for the namesake, but you come here and you experience. And Bernard, it is a pleasure for me to know that he had passed out from Jagir Road College and he's doing very good in tourism, and he has his own experience of trekking. He has learned from his own experience, and it is really so heartening, to see young people coming up in this sector, and they are getting trained, they are taking the course of tourism, and then they are applying whatever they have learned from their colleges into real life. And these are the youths of today, and they love their place, which reflects in their passion that they want to bring in tourism. They want to bring in the development of the community through tourism, through adventure tourism. And he's a trekker himself. He took us to a beautiful destination. He is he is also a background. He has also studied botany, and so this is his added advantage. And in whatever little time I have got with the youth and with the community of this village, I can tell you that this is going to be a hot spot. But yes, only if you are interested in special tourism, in niche tourism, you must visit this destination. I say the people are lovely, the hospitality is great, the environment, the ambience is totally wow. So thanks for calling me here today. Thanks for having me here, Bernard, and I promise I'll come back with my family, with my students, and show them what a village should be like, what rural tourism should be like. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So let me introduce one of the most important person. So let him say something to you all, my viewers.
Oh, hello, how are you? Excellent place, and we'll promote this place from maybe very shortly. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. So this will be the end of today's video, guys. So we are going back, and they are also going back to Guwahati. So see you in next episode. Bye bye.